Mokennin Kabbadaa samaan Amaara kan ta'e yeroo ammaa biyya Ameerikaa magaalaa Atlantaa jiraata. Kaleessa galgala yeroo Jawaar Muhammad Oromoota magaalaa Atlantaa waliin mari'achuuf Atlantaa dhaqu Jawaar ajjeesa jedhee shugguxii baatee osoo naannoo galmaa tira naannahuu poolisaan to'atame. Daawwattoota fi hordoftoota keenya kabajamoo akkam nagaa jirtu nageenyi rabbii guddaa bakkuma isin jirtanitti isinirra haa jiraatu jecha Anoli Global Media irra ammas oduu qabannee isiniif dhiyaanneerra odeeffannoon guyyaa har'aa kan isin biraan gahu Antolchaa Huseenii gara odeeffannoo guyyaa har'aa qabadhee isiniif dhiyaannetti cehuun duratti tamsaasa idilee guyyaa guyyaan Anoli Global Media irra isiniif darbu bifa salphaa ta'een argachuuf toora YouTube channel keenya subscribe gochuun akkasuma page Facebook keenya like gochuun odeeffannoolee biyya keessaa fi addunyaalessaa bifa salphaa ta'een battaluma gadi dhiifametti argachuu dandeettu. Amartichi Mokennin Kabbadaa jedhamu kan yeroo dheeraa social media irratti Oromoo arrabsuun beekamu akkasumas hoogganaa warra Amaaraa magaalaa Atlantaa kan ta'e xiinxalaa siyaasaa fi daayirektara olaanaa Oromiyaa Media Network obbo Jawaar Muhammad Ajjeesuf dhaadataa turuun isaa ni yaadatama. Guyyaa kaleessaa immoo Amaarota Ameerikaa jiran hundaaf yaamicha godhuun Jawaar bakka argitanitti ajjeesaa Jawaar walgahiif magaalota Ameerikaa irraa waan naanna'uuf akka inni walgahii hin godhanne bakka inni walgahii yaametti jeeqaa mormaa ijoolleen Amaaraa maqaan abboota keessanii guddaadhaa maqaa abboota keessanii tiksaa akka abboota keessanii seenaa hojjedhaa du'aa jechuun yaamicha dhiyeesse.
ያንተ ቄሮ ምትለው እዚህ ምድረ ጫታ ሙሉ እስቲ መጥቶ ያደነ እስቲ ላንተ ብሎ መጥቶ ከኛ ጋር ይተናነቅ። እኛስ የዘመዶቻችን ደም ይጠራናል። ከልጅነት የሚጮህ ያጎት ይደማል። ባንተ ላይ ብወጣው ደስ ይለኛል። እነግራለሁ አንተ እኔ ፌስቡክ ላይ ወጥቼ ማውራቴን ነው የምታየው። በኦነግ ያላለቀሰ የለም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ። የትኛውንም ወንድ አልገጠመም። ድሃ እያረደ እያስቆመ ሲያርድ ነው የምናውቀው። ኦነግ የጊዜ ጉዳይ ነው አይቀር እያንዳንድ ከመጠየቅ የነሱ ደጋፊ ያን አርማ ያስኩሉ ሁሌ የኔ ደመኛ ነህ። በደንብ ወቀኝ። ሁሌም የኔ ደመኛ ነህ። እንተያያለን በእውነት እናንተ አድሬሱን አስቀምጡና እንተያያለን። የለም አትናገሩ። ነገ የአትላንታ ያለ ኢትዮጵያዊ ነኝ የምትል ለኢትዮጵያ ሰላም የምታስብ ስለ ኢትዮጵያ የሚጨንቅ ማንኛውም ሰው በተጠንቀቁ ላይቭ እንለቃለን። የዛን ጊዜ ከያለበት እየበረርክ መምጣት አለበት። ደርምሰን ነው መንገባው ያለው ነገር ደርምሰን። እውነቴን ነው የምነግርህ። ለየትኛው ሁሉን ነገር አይተነዋል። ምን እንዳይቀርብን ወገናችንን ዳውን በሰላም እንዲኖር እናደርጋለን። እንዲህ አይነቱን ለፍርድ በማቅረብ እውነቴን ነው የምነግርህ። ያንተ ጥምብ ቆርቆሮ ሁሉ እስቲ ንገሩኝ፣ ማንን የት አለ እንዴ? መከላከያ ያገዘ እንኳን እኮ ትሮጥ ነበረ። በአሁን ሰዓት ራሱ ኢትዮጵያኖች ታግሰው ቀር ትግስታችን እዚህ ደርሷል። በቅቶናል። እውነቴን ነው። ወንድነህ አንተ አድሬስን ተናገር። አትላንታ ላይ ቁጭ በልና እስቲ ተዝናንታ አውራ እስቲ እንይ እስቲ ማን ነው አንተን የሚያስጥል? እስቲ እንግዲህ ስፔሻል ፎርስ ታዝ እንደሆነ ያያለን። አንላቀቅም። ነግራለሁ ፖሊስ እንደማያቆመን ተኩሰው ከገደሉን ይገሉናል። አንተን ግን ከገባበት ጉሮሮና ይዘን እናወጣለን። ማንንም አያስጥልም። ይሄን ነው የምነግርህ። ሲያትል ያላችሁ አማራዎች፣ ሲያትል ያለ አማራ አድሬስ ተነግሯል። ካሁኑ ሄዳ አዳራሹን ረብሽ። ካሁኑ ይሄ ጀዋር የሚባል የትም ቦታ ውስጥ እንዳያረግ መታገል አለብህ። ምን ላይ ነው አንተ ለወገን የምትጮህ ታዲያ? ምን ላይ ነው ምንድነው የሚጠቅምህ? አብሮ አይሞትም ገንዘብ። እውነቴን ነው። ኑሮ አብሮ አይቀበርም። ታሪክ ሰርተሙት። እኔን ነው የምነግርህ። ታሪክ ሰርተሙት። ስም ከሰማይ በላይ ነው። እውነቴን ነው።
የሚመጣው ነገር አይታወቅም።
Don't point that barrels back here again. Take care.
Akkuma viidiyoo irratti daawwattan yaamicha kana dhiyeessee Jawaar Ajjeesuf leenjii dhukaasaas fudhatee shugguxii isaa qabatee magaalaa Atlantaa bakka Jawaar walgahii itti gaggeessu deemee yeroo achi ga'u naannichi eegumsa cimaa qaba ture. Osuma inni konkolaataan naannahu poolisoonni qabanii shugguxii irraa fudhanii isas to'annaa jala oolchanii jiru. Viidiyoo guutuu isiniif dhiyeessinaa daawwadha.
Okay, here's the thing.
Yes, okay.
I'm going to be very strict.
Okay.
You have the right,
Okay.
okay, to bear arms, okay?
Yes.
Don't reach for it.
Yes.
When an officer stops you, you do not grab your gun and say your head right here because the officer can mistake it that you're doing being hostile. I'm just letting you know that. Okay?
Okay.
Don't put yourself in a position
Okay, thank you.
okay?
Thank you.
Second off,
Okay.
all right? If you're going to protest, you're going to protest over there.
Okay.
They're not going to be driving around, especially someone who I can see there's a lot of hostility between both organizations, and you're driving with a gun out there in the open for what reason?
No. I carry my
For what
gun
reason?
every day.
Okay,
No reason.
That's fine.
Yes.
If you want to protest over there,
Okay, I
go
will
ahead
go.
and park the car and
Yes.
protest.
Okay.
Leave the gun in the car so
I
there's
will.
no harm.
I will.
Okay?
I will.
It's just for your safety and the
Okay.
safety of others.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
But to me, it looks like I have a person driving around with a gun out there. I don't want a problem with. I don't want you to.
I didn't go to nobody.
Okay, you're driving around.
I just this is rotary. I just run a rotary.
Keep going. You keep going. Keep going. So
Yes.
this is what you're gonna do.
Mhm.
Go ahead and park over there.
Okay.
And go ahead and you can get there
Okay.
where we have established a protest.
Okay, but do you know what happened, right?
What happened?
People are slaughtering with not even knife. This guy, what he done is, he killing a lot of people, collecting money from America. He got a right in America. They just killed 86 people in Ethiopia because of they are my tribes, my people. So I'm protesting people to know this is our one. People to understand
And you
what
can
these guys
stand-
do.
And you can stand right here to protest.
Yeah, I
don't-
can stand,
But what
okay.
I don't want,
Okay.
this is my concern. Put yourself.
I
in
say
my,
okay,
But, no,
everything
but
you
put
say.
yourself in my position.
Okay, I will.
You have a gun here.
Mhm.
You're driving around, and I understand. I cannot get politically involved in each side. I understand your pain. That's for anyone. It's terrible. But here, as a police officer, we're here to maintain safety.
Okay.
It's to allow both of you to exercise your,
Okay.
your civil rights, right?
Yes.
But you can protest right here.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Okay.
But leave the gun there.
I will.
Please.
I
leave the
will.
gun there.
That's why look.
But don't reach for it.
No, I know. When I give it to her, the
Don't
nose,
ever-
I put it in my
understand,
hand.
But don't ever do anything.
All right, I
But
will-
You're
I won't.
safe.
Okay.
All you have to tell the officer,
I have
there's
a
a
gun.
gun right
All right,
here.
thank you.
Please, and keep your hands. We
Okay.
want to make sure that you are safe, but
Okay.
we have to be safe as well.
Thank you.
Okay? Let me make sure that everything is good,
Okay.
and then.
Okay, I will.
Hold on. Can't leave yet. Okay?
I'm not. Okay.
So, brother,
Good.
who is you, okay?
All right. No problem. All right, no problem. I will. Okay.
Step out here real quick.
Yeah.
Put your hands right here.
All right.
Pat them down real quick. Make sure you don't have any weapons.
I'm just trying to go home right now. See if they will extradite.
We're just gonna make sure everything's good.
No problem. No problem.
Hey, secure that 69 real quick.
Where's y'all? You out there with? Mark, we got Chris Shaw in here with him. Okay. Just one thing is when we will.
Protecting something out
With
with
this
this
$100.
We're just making sure. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
didn't say nothing. Okay, okay, I understand, and I'm going to talk to them too. Okay? Okay, both sides, please. Okay? We're trying to keep the peace here. Okay, I'm going to tell them the same thing. All of us. Yes, I'll keep that. You can stand over here. Oh, the license. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, you can check peace. No, you guys can get it. Can I drive this car? Can you move it? Ready? Wait. Back up the door. You're gonna have to leave. Oh wait, that's the other gentleman.
Yes, but I'm just moving the car for him. I got the car. Ah. All is here. No, is he guy ለም ሰጣቸዋል እዚህ ጋር he's got okay. Job permit, he said. It's not in here. It's not in here. Is he guy lam?
No, my gun permit.
Gun permit.
I left it on
The job part.
next to me. Who started them?
ከላይ ቁጭ ነው ያደረገው? የለም ይሄ ብቻ ነው ያለው ይሄ ፔፐር ብቻ.
Is it ready?
I think they probably got it. They probably got it.
Ergaan daawwattoota fi hordoftoota keenyaa odeeffannoon ammaaf qabannee isiniif dhiyaanne kanumaa sagantaa birootiin hanga walitti deebinutti nagayaan nuuf tura.